Lee Teschler with EE World and Design World, and I'm here with Brian Moran from Infineon. And Brian is going to tell us a little bit about a couple of power modules we have behind us that do 70 amps and 40 amps. Brian, this is new technology, and we got a nice thermal spectrogram of what's going on. Tell us a little bit about the topology and the application areas for what we see here.
Right. Well, Infineon we're really excited about our new power stage products. Their primary function is to manage power for large processors in DC to DC environments. Our latest power stage, as Lee said, can handle up to 70 amps continuous in a 5x6 millimeter package. That's really extraordinary power handling in this low voltage DC to DC application. We have its little brother, we have a 40 amp device, which is actually in a 4x4 millimeter package, and that device is capable of handling up to 40 amps continuous, which is really, again, extraordinary power handling. And what it delivers is extremely good power density for our customers' applications. They can put a lot more power, handle a lot more power in a very small area of their circuit board.
Brian, what's the topology of these two, and do they have the same topology?
Yeah, so the driver technologies of both devices are very similar. And the very interesting thing, what really the key is that makes this product so unique and so far what we believe really best in class in the industry is the FET technology. Our latest FET technology is very high density devices using a TrenchMOS technology with very low RDS on and very low gate charge. This allows these FETs to handle a lot of current with extremely low power loss, therefore allowing the board to easily dissipate the very small power loss that's generated.
What's the energy efficiency of these parts?
Well, that's an excellent question. I mean, in the applications that we have, they're mostly multi-phase applications, 4-phase, 5-phase, 6-phase. We can achieve power efficiencies almost 96% at 1.8 volts for these technologies. That again is among the best in class in our industry right now. It's really extraordinary. And that's for the larger 70 amp device. For the 40 amp device, that is even a more extraordinary thing. In such a 4x4 package, handling 40 amps of current, we can achieve almost 95% efficiency.
Compared to what's out there now, what do we got here? How do they compare?
Yeah. So, I mean, this industry is continually moving all the time. And you never say never, never say the best, but we can say right now, at this moment, we believe Infineon has the best power stages in the market. We've obviously made comparisons in the industry, taking comments from our customers, and the majority of our customers will say the same thing.
Brian, we got a couple of demo boards cooked up behind us with the thermal imaging on them. Can you tell us a little bit of what we're actually seeing on those boards?
Yeah, so actually we have a user interface set up on the computer. We have a thermal camera that's pointed to whatever power stage you would want, the big brother or the little sister. And actually we can dial in the load on this device, and you can see on the thermal camera how the device will heat up or cool down depending on the load of the device. So this device right now, it's rated, its load is upwards maximum 70 amps. It's been continuous for a while, and it's running at about 83, 84 degrees package temperature, which is extremely efficient for this application.
So if we dial it down, the thermal imaging will show it getting cooler.
Yeah, if we were to bring it down to 60 amp, 50 amp, and frankly, most of our customers will use this device 50 amp, 40 amp, 30 amp, can use it up to 70 amps continuous, but at 40 amp, 50 amp, the package temperature will then become lower, and it just allows customers a lot of flexibility in handling their design.
Gotcha. And compared to what's out there, is this take up less board space, or how's the board economy?
Yeah, that's a very good point. So it's power density is the key for most of our customers. Many of these applications, there's so much functionality in these applications with various ASICs that, frankly, our customers don't have much room left for the power, and is a shrinking amount of board space available. These small packages with this high current handling capability enables our customers to get a very good voltage regulator system in a very small space. And we think we're providing that benefit to our customers.
All right, Brian, that's great. That's a pretty interesting part. So thanks for sharing it with us.
Well, I appreciate your time.